So we're here at Essex Modern City in San Antonio. It's a graffiti park. It's really cool. I'm gonna get some shots in the air, and I just wanted to kind of document my process. First thing I did was pull up B4Ufly to figure out the airspace that I'm in, and I'm right on the border of, if you can see that, controlled airspace. So I have to request laanc authorization to fly. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and then we're gonna get up in the sky and take some pictures of all the different graffiti that the artists have come here and painted. Okay, so let's see. You can see that I need to request authorization. So we're gonna go ahead and get authorization. What type do you want to request? So I have my Part 107 license, so we're gonna do that one. I can fly up to 400, so we're gonna click 400. Right now, till probably 2 hours, that's good. Cool. Confirm checklist, next. So agree and submit. And it says that my request was approved, authorized by the FAA. Go back to my Aloft app, and let's see, here is the approval. So that's it right there. So I'm good. Now I can go ahead and fly. It's a fairly sunny day, so I think I'm gonna do Indy 64. Camera looks good, drone looks good, pre-flight safe. Turn this on. So before I take off, I do like to let my drone get at least 15 GPS satellites locked onto it. You can just take off right away, but it won't hover, and it will max out at like 30 meters high.